Hi, Billy Mays here with the OHS-Hit button. The only button you'll ever need to make your life perfect. Use it indoors! Use it outdoors! Even use it if you run into doors! And great for improving your brain function and possibly even your personality. Even use it when you realize you've made a giant mistake.
Yeah, I want lots of kids, I want to live on a farm, and I want lots of animals. Yeah, would you like a sandwich?
I sure would.
Okay.
Go. When I got married, my wife wanted a lot of kids and a lot of animals. But now, after giving her the OHS-Hit button, she makes me sandwiches every single day.
And use it to make that grandson you've always wanted.
Gosh dang it, boy, hit this button.
Kablamo! Instant results you can see right away.
I'm just reading the Bible.
That's my boy. Pages of my magazines you stick together. And thanks to the OHS-Hit button, the only thing that sticks are the words of the Bible in my boy's head.
Let me tell you a story about when I was a young whippersnapper.
Grandpa, didn't you say you had to go to the bathroom?
Oh yeah, don't worry. Let me tell you a story about when I was a...
Even improve your grandpa's ability to make smarter and wiser decisions. And great for those pesky women drivers. They'll be driving like a man in no time.
Never gonna be able to drive.
So just press this.
Maybe you're just unhappy with your son's food choices.
Cool, can I eat it?
Thanks, OHS-Hit button, for making my boy the strongest and most athletic boy in all of Arvada. Perhaps you want to take more chances and do more with your life. Maybe you even want to be in the pro motorcycle circuit. Call the number at the bottom of the screen, and if you call within the next 15 minutes, you'll receive a free rat with your order. If you want your grandpa to be more wiser, grandchild to be more godly, wife to be more obedient, or if you yourself just want to be more daring, just call the number on the screen, 1-800-647-4488. Don't forget to order your awesome OHS-Hit button. Call 1-800-647-4488. That's once again 1-800-647-4488 for your ultra slim, ultra awesome OHS-Hit button.
That's only $5,000 plus shipping and handling. Remember, Visa debit and MasterCard is always accepted. Have fun and have a nice day.
OHS-Hit.
Billy Mays, no!
Unpleasant to subsidize on, but the button can, however, take responsibility for the improvement of society by correcting the forms conditions.